Hey guys, Tamara here from the Princess Shop. Just wanted to show you another item that came into the store. These are pretty little bows that we have. They complete every outfit. You can see them over here. Like, this is so cute. This color is lemonade. They are $15 each. The colors that we have include mustard, hunter green, navy, tartan plaid, dark pink, olive, ballet pink, French vanilla. We have a stark white, aquamarine, hot pink neon, a light mint. I've got my red over here. The mint is right here. They range about 2 to 3 inches, so they're really good. They have really good stretch to them. I'd say you can honestly wear them up until probably even like a toddler could pull them off if you wanted to still wear a bow as a toddler. Like I said, they are $15 each. You can get them at princess.com or come on down to the shop at 1240 Farmington Avenue in Berlin, Connecticut. Store hours are Friday through Sunday from 10 to 2.